Mayor Wallace and distinguished guests. I did not come here as a sectarian preacher, and I didn't come here advocating war, though I spent 2.5 years in the Vietnam War theater. I come here with humble and prayerful heart, wishing your community God's best. And I thank you, Mayor Wallace and distinguished guests, for recognizing what my wife and I are trying to do by carrying Old Glory from sea to shining sea. As a matter of fact, the flag I'm carrying, which represents we the people, by the way, and represents honor and respect. The Old Glory that I'm carrying is the first ever to be hand carried by a veteran from sea to shining sea. And I pray, and pray with me please, that this flag would be enshrined at the Smithsonian Institute.
That's great.
I wish it community the best. I've been in the Bible Belt for a long time, and I'm sure glad I started in the Bible Belt, because I think if I started in California, I'd never found anybody to pray for my knee, for one thing. You know, and there would have been a lot of discouragements, and then I'd have to go through that desert in Mexico and all that. We got the hard part coming up. But you know what? I hope I don't offend anybody here, but people often tell me, Pastor, you're preaching to the choir. See, I'm promoting the Ten Commandments, I'm promoting the Golden Rule, and our nation's founding documents. Okay? So people say, Pastor, you're preaching to the choir. This is the Bible. You know what? I think there's a problem with the choir. I think a lot of them have lost their voices. I think still others have forgotten the song, and the rest of them won't come to choir practice. What I'd like to see is the choir singing. When the choir sings that beautiful music, the politicians will have to dance to the music, or they won't be in their jobs anymore. You see, we got to sing the song. People. We, the people, have to sing the song that they'll dance to. And right now, we're dancing to Satan's music.
She's 4 weeks old.
And we've got to take responsibility. We can't blame them, because they're going to dance to whatever music they're hearing. We've got to sing the song of America. Beautiful.